What's up guys, welcome back to our channel and happy Sunday, happy couponing day. I'm currently in the toy seasonal section trying to hide from people because I'm trying to film this intro. But we're at CVS. We're gonna be doing the digital deals. We have some really good ones, some really easy ones. We have just a quick rundown as always guys. All we need is our phone. We need an extra care card. Link that extra care card to your phone. That way if you're using any digital coupons, any CRTs and any extra bucks, you just click the little plus sign. It'll turn into a blue check mark, and that way when you're at the register it will automatically apply. Now we don't have a ton of deals where we need CRTs, so that's always a plus, that's always a yay, because that means that the deals that I do share are deals that we can all do. So let's jump into it. Now the first deal that I'm going to be sharing, I wanted to mention this week, since it is Thanksgiving, we have two different, kind of like three different deals. We have these that are the 4 days only. They are Sunday through Wednesday. Now this is on the ad. I didn't see it online, but it's on the ad in store. So we have quite a few. I am going to mention these in the beginning of the video, sharing these deals first, and then we have our deals that are all week long. We'll have them from Sunday to Saturday, and then we have our Black Friday deals, which are going to be from Thursday through Saturday. But I'm going to do that in a separate video so you guys don't get confused, because those deals aren't even valid yet. But alright guys, let's jump into the deals. Alright guys, our first deal, yay, I found them. I wanted to find these, the Physician Formula ones. These are the beauty sets that are on sale for $9.99, and you buy one and you get $8 back. It's a limit of 3 this week, so you can buy 3 of them in one transaction and you'll get $24 back in extra bucks, or you can do separate transactions and you can roll the extra bucks on each to pay a low out of pocket each transaction. So it ends up being only $1.99 for one of these. This one also applies, so these are really nice. Definitely check a Christmas gift off your list if you guys want to grab some of these. Alright guys, next one I have is a clearance find. They have these hand soaps right here for only 29 cents. So they are not tagged. My cashier just let me know that they got marked down. So if you're in store and you want to check out your hand soap, if you need some, these are 29 cents. So next one that we have is also part of that 4-day only from Sunday through Wednesday. We have the Gillette Venus and the Gillette Men Razors. They are save $4 when you buy one, and then you earn $2 back in extra bucks when you buy one. Now I have a CRT for these. I have a $2 off one CRT. So now let's break this down, and I need to warn you guys, Darius broke my phone. We're in the process of getting a new one, so it's gonna be a little cracked, but we can still see, so it's all good. So these here at my store are priced $9.49 minus the $2 CRT, and then $4 that we're gonna save by just using our extra care card. It's gonna take off automatically $4. That'll bring us down to $3.49. We'll get $2 back, making it $1.49 for one of these. Next one we have is on the Suave hair products. These are buy 2 for $6, and when you buy 2 you're gonna get $2 back in extra bucks. This one does end on Wednesday the 24th, and we have a $2 off 2 digital coupon. So buying 2 of these are total $6 minus the $2 digital will leave us to pay $4. We'll get $2 back, making it $2 for 2, which is $1 each. Next deal that we have is going to be our free toothpaste. So we're going to be getting a free toothpaste between Sunday and Wednesday, and then Thursday through Saturday we'll get another free toothpaste. So this one is the Colgate Total. It is the bigger size. They're $4.99 here at my store. Buy one and get $3 back in extra bucks. We have a $2 off one digital coupon for these. So once that applies, it'll bring me down to $2.99. We'll get $3 back, making it completely free. Next that we have is the deal I think we've been having all month, the Monofoil disinfecting spray on sale for $9.99. Buy one get $9 back, makes it 99 cents. Now this one is also until Wednesday. Okay guys, now for our last deal for these 4 days only, the ones that are from Sunday the 21st through the 24th. This is our last one on these Renewza air fresheners. They're 3 for $3, but when you buy 3 you're gonna get $1.50 back in extra bucks. So it makes it $1.50 for all 3, which is 50 cents each. Alright guys, our first regular deal of the week, and when I say regular, I mean this deal is valid from today Sunday to Saturday. So you'll have all week to do this deal. The Hallmark deal on the cards, very familiar deal. They are buy 3 and get $3 in extra bucks. Now, I don't think the stores are carrying the 99-cent ones anymore. Well, at least my stores aren't. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the $2 ones. And I have a 2 off of 3 CRT, I believe. Now the CRT says $2.99 and up. That's the first time I've seen it like that. But when I scanned the cards on the app, it is attaching. So fingers crossed it attaches. Our total is going to be $6 for 3. Minus the $2 CRT will bring us down to $4. we'll get $3 back, making it $1 for all 3. So definitely a good deal. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these Mickey ones. Next that we have is gonna be on some gift cards. So they have some like really random ones, but this one is the one that I was like, okay, this one isn't bad. For the children's place, it is spend $50 on a gift card and you're gonna get $15 back in extra bucks. So unfortunately you can't use extra bucks to pay for the gift card, but you'll still earn $15 back, and you can definitely use that towards your deals. So it ends up being only $35 for $50 worth. And of course with the gift cards you can always use like any store coupons for like the children's place or any discounts that they're offering. So you save $15 on a gift card. Now they also have one for Chili's, which I think is okay, but all the other options are kind of random. Next that we have on some laundry items, the Arm & Hammer. It's on sale 2 for $6, and we have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. So buying 2 of these after the digital coupon will make it $5 for 2, which is $2.50 each. So if you have one of those like threshold CRTs, like spend $70 and get $10 off, this could be one of the filler items to, you know, get to that $70 mark. Next that we have is going to be on our uarrbsi Kotex liners. Now they don't have any of these, the ones that are $179. I am pretty sure that the $169 ones are also part of this promotion. Buy one get one 50% off, and buy 2 and get $2 back in extra bucks. So doing the math with the $169 ones, it is $169 times 1.5. That is going to be the total for 2 of them, minus the $2 in extra bucks is going to make it 53 cents for 2, which is 26 cents each. So not a bad deal. All right guys, next deal is going to be on the Tresemme. These are 2 for $10, and when you buy 2 you're going to get $2 back in extra bucks. We have a $4 off 2 digital coupon. So once that digital coupon applies, you're going to pay $6. You'll get $2 back in extra bucks, making it only $4 for 2, which is $2 each. Now of course if you have any extra CRTs, you can go ahead and use it to lower your out-of-pocket. Next that we have is going to be on the Colgate mouthwash. These are $5.29 here at my store, and they are spend 10 and get a $5 extra buck. Now we do have a $4 off 2 digital coupon. So breaking this down, it is $5.29 times 2 brings us to $10.58. Minus the $4 off 2 digital coupon, we'll get $5 back in extra bucks, makes this $158 for the 2, which is going to be 79 cents each. So not a bad deal, but I wanted to mention it because I know sometimes you guys get CRTs, like a 2 off of 5 Colgate CRT. You can definitely pair it with this and it'll end up being a moneymaker. Now to jump onto our deals with using CRTs, we're going to start off with the Clear Care Contact Solution and with the OptiFree. You can choose between either or. These are on sale for $16.99. Buy one and get $6 back in extra bucks. We have a $6 off 1 digital coupon, and I have 2 CRTs. I have a $2 off for any of the contact solutions, and then I have a $3 off 12 for any eye care. So I'm going to be using those 2 CRTs on top of the digital coupon. So now breaking this down, it is going to be $16.99 minus the $6 digital, the $3 off 12 CRT, the $2 CRT. That is going to leave us to pay $5.99, or you can roll $6 in extra bucks. We'll get $6 back, making it completely free for one of these twin packs. So like I said, it could either be the OptiFree or the Clear Care. Next thing we have is going to be a deodorant deal. Our Speed Stick, it is on sale 2 for $5. You can either do the Speed Stick or the Lady Speed Stick. This store doesn't have any, but it is the exact same promotion. They're 2 for $5. Buy 2 and get $2 back in extra bucks. I have a $2 off of 2 CRT. So breaking it down, it's going to be $5 minus the $2 CRT. The $2 in extra bucks makes it $1 for the 2, which is 50 cents each. Now I believe on the Speed Stick website there's a printable coupon for 50 cents off of 1. If you can print 2 of those, it'll be completely free for 2. Another deodorant deal we have, I have 2 scenarios for this one. So first scenario is super easy. The Secret deodorant, it is on sale 2 for $10, and when you buy 4 you're gonna get $10 back in extra bucks. So I have a $4 off a 20 CRT. We're gonna buy 4 of these. Our total is gonna be 20 minus that $4 CRT will bring us down to 16. We'll get $10 back in extra bucks, making it $6 for all 4, which is $150 each. Now for scenario number 2, we are gonna grab 2 of these Secret deodorants, the ones that are 2 for $10, and then 2 of these clinical strength Secret deodorants. These are, we're gonna grab the ones that are $10.29. They're also buy one get one 50% off. Now I have a $4 off 2 Secret Clinical CRT. So we're gonna be using that 4 off of 2 Secret Clinical CRT plus the 4 off of 20 deodorant CRT. Breaking this down, it is gonna be $10.29
times 1.5. That is going to bring us to $15.43 plus $10 for the other two deodorant. It's going to bring us to $25.43 minus the 4 off 20 deodorant CRT minus the 4 off 2 clinical strength deodorant CRT. We're going to end up paying $17.43 minus the $10 in extra bucks we get back. It's going to make it $7.43 for all four, which is $185 each. All right, guys, now for our last deal of the week. I hope you guys have the digital coupon for the Tide Pods, because we're going to be grabbing some Tide Pods. They're on sale for $4.94. This is part of the promotion of spend 30 and get a $10 extra buck. So we're going to be grabbing one pack of Tide Pods. Now make sure you scan the barcode on the back and make sure that the $2 digital is attaching to it. We are also going to be grabbing some Tide liquid. These are the ones that are $5.94, and we also have a $2 off one digital coupon for one of these. Now our last two items is going to be on Pampers. I'm so sorry if you don't need Pampers. If you don't need Pampers, then you can definitely make a laundry deal if you have the digital coupons or the printable coupons, like the regular laundry deals that we normally do for the spend 30 and get 10. Now this deal is going to include 2 packs of Pampers. These are on sale for buy one get one 50% off. We have a $3 off 2 digital coupon, plus I have a $4 off 20 baby care CRT. Now to break this down, the Pampers here at this store are $12.79. They are way cheaper than any other stores, because this store is a CVS, so the prices here do tend to be cheaper. But at my other store, these are $13.49. So I highly recommend doing it at a store that is not priced at $12.79. I don't think you guys would have that issue anyways, unless you go to a CVS EMAS, because grabbing 2 of these packs, we only get to $19.18, so we don't get to the 98% rule to be able to use that 4 off of 20 baby CRT. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal at my other store where they're priced $13.49. That way I can use the CRT. So it is gonna be $13.49 times 1.5, bringing us to $20.23, plus our $5.94 Tide liquid, plus our $4.94 Tide Pods. That is going to bring us to $31.11. We are going to subtract the 4 off of 20 CRT, the $3 off of 2 Pampers digital, the $2 Tide digital, and the $2 Tide Pods digital. That is going to bring us all the way down to $20.11. We are going to get $10 back in extra bucks, making it $10.11 for our 4 items, which is going to be $2.52 each. So definitely a great deal.
All right, guys, that is going to be all the digital deals of the week. I hope you guys liked them. Don't forget, some of the deals are from today, Sunday the 21st, to Wednesday the 24th, and then we'll have the Black Friday deals. I'll go ahead and come back later on in the week to share those deals and share what I score and all that stuff. But other than that, that is going to be all for this video. I'm not going to be doing any scenarios myself, just because my scenarios are going to be a bit different, and I am going to be using paper coupons, but we're still not back to doing those paper coupon videos just yet. We still have about a month and a half. We're gonna bring those back starting next year. So if you guys do want to see like what transaction I did and see my receipt and all of that, I'll probably share like a quick breakdown over on Instagram, Karlasavings. You guys can follow me there. I'll probably share that there. But other than that, that is gonna be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys have an amazing time, and we will see you later on. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Bye.